to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. I got this as a gift from my son's girlfriend Caitlin for Christmas. I think that when you are a YouTuber and you hit 100,000 subscribers, they send you a play button. I don't know if they send it before that or not, but I hit 20,000 subscribers and this came at a perfect time. So I just love it and I am just so thrilled, and this is even more special to me that they would think of me at Christmas and give me such a special gift when they know that I would really appreciate it. I just really love this pillow. I think it's so cute. So you should probably be seeing this in all my videos. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, okay? So I would love for you to join me. And as you know, I don't just have crochet or knitting videos. I do a lot of other things. And I do have a lot of DIY projects on my channel, and I also have some cooking and just some family stuff. So if you're interested in watching all those videos, I would appreciate it. And don't forget to share them, because maybe someone else wants to learn how to crochet or to make bread or something like that. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you today some of the projects that I have been working on. So let me show you this. So I do have a video on this, and it is by Premier Yarns. The pattern is from Premier Yarns, and the yarn is from Hobbi Yarn. And Hobbi Yarn sent me the yarn for free, so I wanted to do a little video with the pattern from Premier, and so this is what I did. So I have not blocked this yet, and the point on it is a little funky. I don't know. I mean, I'm a new knitter, so maybe I did the point wrong or something like that, but there it is. And it's just like a scarf. It's supposed to be a shawl, but I think it's a little too small. I didn't do the normal amount of rounds on this one. I cut it a little bit shorter because I wanted to make it into a scarf. I didn't want to make it into a shawl. So with the scarf, I'm just going to turn it this way. You would just take it like this, and you would just wrap it around and wear it like this. But I guess, I don't know, do you tuck these in? Do you keep them out? Or I'm not really sure. But you can wear this as a scarf or as a shawl. You would just wear it, you know, around your shoulders. But this is a really pretty pattern. It really is. I love the little lace on the sides. And if you want to give it a go, I have that video, and I'm just gonna go for it and let people read the pattern as well, but they can also follow along with my video. This is a really fun project that I think you might be interested in learning how to do. So. And real quick, I do have 2 crochet books that I am going to share with you. This one's called Granny Square Source Book, and then this one's Crochet Every Way Stitch Dictionary. And I'm going to put these in the description box, but it's kind of fun if you want to learn a new technique or whatever, or a new pattern. This is a good one for that. And these are all granny squares, and these are just so beautiful. And I think you're really gonna like this. And there's a girl, her name's Joy Clements, and she's from Australia, and she does have a couple squares in here, and she's just a sweetheart. You can follow her on Instagram. Her name is Crochet Road on Instagram. I think you'll really like her. So go ahead and order these if you're interested in learning some new techniques. They're really fun. And this one you can get on Amazon. I'm not sure, this one might be on Amazon, but I will link that in the description box. Okay, so I am back, and I do have some yarn that I got at a thrift store. So I just wanted to show you how big this bag is. And I got everything for so cheap. And look at this. So each package was wrapped with like 4 to 6 skeins of yarn. And I'll show you some little pictures right here of when I unpackaged it. And look, these are amazing. So, and this is that bulky weight number 6 yarn. And that was in the package with a few of these. But I'll just show you. I'll show you what came in, I think it was 3 or 4 packages. And I just unwrapped those just recently. I haven't used any of these yet, and I'm just so excited to be able to get started on something. So, okay, so I got all of these, and I will put the price that I paid for all of these together right here. So look how much all of these yarns were from the thrift store. These are beautiful. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen these, but they sell them at Walmart. And this is the Bernat Baby Sport Weight yarn. And these are, let's see, I think it's, and these have 1,256 yards in each skein. Now, I do have a video of when I crocheted a white poncho and a pink poncho. And I'll link that right here. And I only used 1 skein of this giant yarn for that poncho. And it's so cute. You'll love it. And you don't have to do the border either. And it's just a very simple project. But I am going to be making a new poncho with these 2 pink, or actually 1 pink, because I don't think I'll need 2. And because this will make probably 2 ponchos. And I'm going to do 1 in knitting and 1 in crocheting. So if you like to do both knitting and crocheting, you're going to really appreciate both of those. But if you do one or the other, at least, you know, I'll have a project for everybody. And I cannot wait to get those done. That might be the next thing I'm going to be working on. But I do have to finish up on some other projects. And as you can see, I have some yarn here that I really want to use. And there's another spot over there with a ton of projects. And I have to finish up on those before I move to anything else, because I'm so ADD that I just can't work on one thing at a time. I have to have 10 projects going because I get bored with something and I have to just try something else. And I'm a creative type, so I like to create my own patterns. So I sit there and I knit or crochet for like hours, and then I'll take everything out because I don't like the way it's turning out, and then I'll redo it. And so that is, you know, just part of being a creative person, where you have to just keep trying and see what works. And I just wanted to share these other ones, these other yarns that I got. So this is the Hometown USA in this white, beautiful yarn. It's so soft. I love this. I'll probably be making, you know, maybe a hat. I really want to learn how to knit a hat. I haven't really done many knitted projects doing a hat. So I really want to learn how to do that. And then this one, this came in the box of, or the bags of all the yarn. And this was a partially used skein of yarn, which I was kind of bummed they threw that in there, but you know, what the heck, it's good for various projects. And then this is the Melody by Patton's Quick and Cozy yarn. Have you guys used these types of yarns? They're like a bumpy yarn. What do you use that for? Do you crochet a scarf? I don't know if I really like the texture. So I don't know if I'll be using this for any projects. I might just use it for pom-poms or something like that. So let me know if you've ever used this kind of a bumpy yarn before. And let me know what you make out of it. Okay, here's another color. I thought I had one more in this color, but that came with it, but maybe not. But this is like a goldy color. These colors are super popular right now. They're not my favorite colors, but I know a lot of people really like the neutrals, because I'm more into like pinks and purples and, you know, just that sparkly kind of stuff. And that's just my personality. And, you know, if you don't like sparkles, I'm sorry. But these are really nice to make, you know, a scarf or a hat from. And actually right here on this pattern, on this wrapper, there is a project right there for a hat. So maybe I'll check that out. And then this one is in the darker brown. These are all bulky weight yarns, all of these bulky weight. So this is the only one, this is a size 3 because it's the baby sport weight yarn, but everything else is a bulky yarn. So I'm really excited because I really want to use some bulky yarns. And what way, I mean, this is so great because it didn't cost much at all to do some first time projects. So anyway, these are all really fun things, and I'm so happy that I went to the thrift store and I found these. There we go. So look for these projects because they'll be coming soon. Okay, so let me get rid of all of these. Get those off my desk, and I'll be right back. Here I come with the project. So this is something that I created and I am just working on. And since I am a first time, you know, I haven't even been knitting for 1 year. So I'm very excited to be able to bring some fun projects your way if you're a knitter. And I've used these yarns. They're called Premier Serenity Chunky Yarn. Oh my gosh, these are so soft and so wonderful. I think that if you've ever used this, that you're gonna know what I'm talking about. These are a 5 bulky weight yarn. So it's kind of like, you know, not super, super chunky, and it's so easy to work with. So I have the gray and the white, and here is my little project that I'm working on. So this video is coming real soon too. I just have to finish up a few more. There's a piece of paper on there. I just have to finish up a few more of these panels, and then I want to sew them together, and then I'll show you this project after that. So this is a baby blanket, and so what I thought I would do is start at the bottom of my project and work my way up. So this would be my first square, and then I would change yarn and do the white square, gray square, white square, you know, so on and so forth. So you can make this project as big as you want. You don't have to do a baby blanket. You can just keep adding these panels, these strips. So they look like this. And so far I've made all of these. So my plan is to have them alternate squares. And I think this will be so pretty. And you know, I might be putting some crocheted flowers on them. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet, but you'll see that when the video comes out. So I just wanted to share with you about that, and this is a really fun project. I'm so thrilled to get this done. I cannot wait to start that video. Okay, I'm back with a few more things. If you guys follow me at all, you will see that I just recently did a scarf pattern, and I just created this on my own as well, and it is such a beautiful scarf. I love this. So in the video, you will see this scarf. I haven't finished this one. This is the second one that I made. I made one in blue. Look how pretty that is. And then I made one in red. I made one in pink. I made one in white. And just so many fun things. These are really easy to do. You do not need directions. As long as you get the rhythm of what you're doing, it's really, really easy. So I just wanted to show you how to wear it, because some people are kind of asking me that question. So, and how long is it? I think this is like 54 inches, I think. I'll have to measure that and let you know for sure. But what you do is you take it like this and you wrap it around like this. So you have the tassels hanging, and this has like a really pretty, like a eyelet edge. Oops. Okay. And you just would wear it like this. And it's so pretty and just really simple. And you don't have to have the tassels, but I think they really make a really nice addition. And then you can tighten it up if you want, and then you just fold this like that, flip it on the other side. So this is really nice because it's not super thick and bulky, but you can wear it underneath your jacket, and when it gets really chilly, it keeps your neck warm. So I just love this. I think it's so pretty. So I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you soon with another video. Take care. God bless. Bye.